while I'm finding my way. I'm that lizard, living in a blizzard. This is how I live my life, sipping on scissor while I'm smoking sweet and Swisser. You know I'm always doing my thing, I'm cutting them off like paper and scissor. You know I'm going hard for real for me and my nibble. We been really starving that shit from these dreams. You know we really ain't got like that, but I ain't really dripping on none that. I'ma go and get it. I'm the young nibble that been fitting it. I'm the one that's been dribbling it. You know I've been going hard. You know I 50. You know I don't play. You know I never fit it. You know I always keep it true. Me and my infant. I'm still fine on my way. Yeah, nigga, I'm more like that motherfucking Escalade, but more of that lizard. You feel me? Stuck in a blizzard. I grew up with a hard life. That's something that you don't know about. It's always been cold in my Sprite. Heart on ice, know what it like, dripping ozite. While I'm finding my way, smoking that zit, feeling that can, hey. Smoking weed, royal pain. See him, I never drink, hey, it is what it is. I ain't drink on none of it. I just hold they stay in my lane. I always stay in they lane. I just try to keep it real, I try to keep it every day. You know it's hard to be day. You know I'm hard love these days. It's hard, it's cold. I don't give a fuck though. I'm that lizard stuck in a blizzard. A motherfucker I know. Finding my way. Living like a lizard, still in the blizzard. Smoking on sweet and Swissers. Holding down my nibbles like they scissors. You know I'm cutting my people off like paper and scissors. I'm a brain lit, living like in a blizzard, but I'ma be okay. I've always had my back when nobody waited to give my head to the street. I remember hearing nothing on me, but I still give it all my way. I don't give a fuck, I did on it yet because I'm just trying to go and get my check and get my respect. Why I gotta keep on folding it? I gotta keep on folding it. I gotta stay focused, round, and forward. Just try to keep trill, keep my mind on overseas, cause that's how I heal.